Okay, here's question 10 on the higher calculator paper. This question is about inequalities. So the first part of the question says m is an integer. Now you need to maybe make a note of this. Integer is a whole number. An integer is a whole number. M is an integer such that minus 2 is less than m is less than or equal to 3. So they've given us this inequality here, and this may well look strange to you, right? But I can guarantee you that this is a very, very straightforward question. The best way to the question part A says write down all the possible values of m. So they want us to write down all the possible numbers that m could be. But remember, m is an integer, a whole number. So I was about to say the best way to do this is to draw a number line. On one end, I'm going to put the number at one end of the inequality, minus 2. At the other end, the other number in the inequality is 3. Because that's less than, that means this number here is not included in the set of answers, right? It's not less than or equal to. If it was less than or equal to, it would be included, and I would have shaded all of that in. Because this is just less than or equal to 3, I'm actually going to circle and shade in or include 3 among my answers. What are all the numbers in between? So there's 2, 1, 0, minus 1. 2, 1, 0, minus 1. So what this question is saying is that m is between minus 2 and 3. It could be equal to 3, but is not equal to 2. So all the possible answers that m could be are all of these numbers here, but not minus 2. So my answers are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And that's my 2 marks pretty easily there. Okay, going on to part B. Part B says solve 7x minus 9 is less than 3x plus 4. In this particular question, don't be fazed by the inequality. Almost in this case, you just need to ignore it. So I've got 7x minus 9 is less than 3x plus 4. I like to rewrite the question. I want to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other. On this side, I've got 7x, and so that's going to stay put. I need to bring that 3x across. Now that's positive 3x. So when I bring it across to the left-hand side, so that I can have all the x's together, it's going to become minus 3x. Okay, so think about that. I still have the inequality there. When I bring that minus 3 across to this side, it's going to become, when I bring that plus 3 across to this side, it's going to become minus 3. The sign is going to change. I want to get all the numbers on the right-hand side. Now already I have positive 4 there. I need to bring that minus 9 across. When that minus 9 comes across, it's going to become positive 9. Okay, so do think about that. When that minus 9 goes across to the right hand side, it's going to change sign, it's going to become positive 9. Now I just need to work these out. 7x take away 3x is 4x. 4x is less than, what's 4 plus 9? 4 plus 9 is 13. Now in order to work out what x is, I need to divide by 4. The opposite of timesing by 4, 4x means 4 times x, is dividing by 4, so I need to do 13 divided by 4. So 13 divided by 4 is equal to 3.25. So x is less than 3.25. I'm going to put this in the answer space. X is less than 3.25, and there is 2 marks. It's just like solving an equation if there was an equal sign in there. As you noticed, I just kept this sign in, and it didn't do anything special to this question. Make sure you know how to do this. These are fairly straightforward marks to get. Make sure you do get them.